All right, guess what, guys? Today we got ourselves a Neo. Now, this is a little remote control drone, or it could be a free remote control. That means you don't need any accessories to actually remote this. This is good for beginners, intermediates, and so forth. Now, a couple options you have. You can remote this automatically with a couple commands in here. Second option, you could have a remote control. Third option, your phone. Fourth option, you can have the actual headset along with another remote. Now, for distance, you're gonna be set for only a certain distance without any phone or anything like that. So I'm gonna put a little description of what kind of distance you get on every single device on this site. Now let's go ahead and talk about the Neo. The Neo fits in your palm of your hand. It doesn't fit in your pocket. Now, it's been crash proof, tested, and so forth, so you don't have to worry about if you drop it, if it falls off the ceiling or anything else. I flew indoors and it works great. Now, out of the box, you're gonna get it and you gotta program it on your phone. Unfortunately, the application can only be found on their site, DJI. All right, so you're gonna have to download it and install it on your system, and we'll go over some details on that part. Now, let's go ahead and set this up, and you're gonna see a couple commands. Now, we're gonna go ahead and show you the things they can do and how to bring it down, and it responds with your actual hand. It takes off of your hand and it comes back on your hand. So let's go ahead and test this out. Take out the cap. All you gotta do is put the battery in once you program it, right? Battery, you hit once the back button, and then you hit again, you hold it down. And once the wings start flipping, it's calibrating. We're gonna put it in our hands, and then we're gonna go ahead and start the command. Right now, we're gonna do the follow me feature, right? So we're gonna go follow me.
Droning, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track, follow.
We're gonna do the follow. So once you do the follow, all you gotta do is expand your hand, make sure it picks up your face. You hold down the button when you select it after.
Medium, follow.
Medium, follow.
2, 1.
You can keep the camera there. So, not only is it following me, it's actually recording too. And then, like I said, put your hand in here, and it comes into your hand. Now we're gonna do another demo, right? We're gonna go, the next one will be
Droning,
droning. That means it's gonna go in a circle. You hold down the button,
4 meters.
4 meters.
3, 2, 1.
So I'm gonna be able to move. Okay. You put your hand here, and it responds to you. It comes directly to your hand. It's supposed to go. There you go. That's droning. Now let's take another feature.
Circle,
Circle. Hold down the button. 2 meters. Circle.
1.
Now we're gonna do skyrocket.
Rocket, 4 meters.
4 meters up.
3, 2, unable to take off, aircraft approaching. 4 meters. Rocket, 3, 2, 1.
just follows you everywhere you go. All right, we're gonna let this thing follow me, and I'm gonna run a couple meters to see how well it runs. So I put my glasses down, guys.